Welcome back to our channel. We are in Piazza Bellini in Palermo, near the Four Squares, and we are going to visit the Church of San Cataldo. The church, believed to have been founded during the reign of Guglielmo I (1154–66), is a magnificent example of Sicilian medieval art and architecture. The history of the church dates back to the time when it was possibly the chapel of a palace built by Maggiorno da Bari, the Grand Admiral of the king. Over the years, the church passed through various hands, including the Benedictine community of Montreal and the Royal Post Office. The exterior of the church is a study in simplicity, with its elegant quadrilateral structure and characteristic red domes. Internally, the church is characterized by its sober and unadorned walls and the soft light that filters in through the arched openings in the domes, creating a solemn and mysterious atmosphere. One of the most striking features of the church is its original cosmatesque floor, decorated with marble and Egyptian porphyry, a true emblem of the fusion of Islamic decorative art with the Latin and Byzantine elements. Since 1937, the church has been the seat of the Knights of the Holy Sepulchre of Jerusalem, the oldest and most prestigious chivalric order. The church is open to the public every day, thanks to the Cultural Association Friends of the Sicilian Museums. Join us as we explore the rich history and architectural beauty of the Church of San Cataldo in Palermo.
In the description, you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you.
If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.